Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Canva sign up fail or account creation stuck problem. Sometimes the app hangs during account creation. First, close the app completely and then restart. After that, ensure you are on a stable connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then try signing up again using your Google or Apple ID. First go to Canva and then go to your profile, scroll down and then click logout. Then continue with another account, or if this is your Apple account, then click sign in and the app will get you back in your official account. Now, safety tip: use a strong password and avoid reusing passwords from other apps. Quick fix: if it still fails, use Canva on your browser, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.